In this video, I'll show you how to link your Steam account to Epic Games on PC, step by step, in a quick and easy way. This is useful if you want to connect your account so you can manage supported games and keep everything linked properly in one place. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple gaming tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games portal. Once the site loads, sign into your Epic Games account using your usual login details. After you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the page and click on your profile name. A menu will appear, and from there select Account. Now you'll be taken to your account settings page. On the left sidebar menu, look for linked accounts and click on it. This is the section where Epic Games lets you connect different external platforms to your account. Once you're inside the linked accounts area, you should see Steam listed as one of the options. Click on Steam to begin the linking process. After that, click Continue when prompted. Epic Games will then open a new pop-up window asking you to sign in to your Steam account. This is the part where you need to enter your Steam username and password carefully. Once you've entered your Steam credentials, complete the authorization process by following the on-screen prompts. Steam may ask you to confirm the login or verify your identity, depending on your security settings. Just finish the sign-in process, and after that, Epic Games will connect your Steam account automatically. When the authorization is complete, your Steam account should now be linked to Epic Games. You can go back to your linked accounts page to confirm that the connection was successful. If everything looks good, you're all set. And that's how you link your Steam account to Epic Games on PC. It only takes a few moments once you know where to go, and now your accounts are connected properly. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy gaming guide. Thanks for watching.